sir, Your Honor.
All right, I'll bring the jurors in then.
Jurors entering the courtroom.
All right, thank you, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. And Mr. Stroll, I think we were,
I had just called Lexi Molinaro, Your Honor.
all right, so Lexi Molinaro. All right, ma'am, if you'll come all the way to the front. And if you raise your right hand, the clerk will administer the oath to you.
Do you solemnly swear or affirm that the testimony you give shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God? Thank you.
All right, ma'am, if you'll come right around this way for me. Bailiff will show you where to sit. And you can adjust that microphone as needed, and just be sure and speak directly into it. Keep your voice up so we can hear everything you say, all right?
Okay.
All right, Mr. Strolla.
Thank you, Your Honor, if it pleases the court.
Yes, sir.
Good afternoon, Ms. Molinaro. How are you?
Good.
Could you please state your full legal name to the jury?
Alexandria Leanne Molinaro.
Okay. And are you related to Phyllis Molinaro?
Yes.
And who is she?
My mom.
Okay. And do you know who Michael Dunn is?
Yes.
When did you meet Mr. Michael Dunn?
About 2006.
Okay. Where was that at?
My brother's graduation.
Do you remember where your brother's graduation was? What city? You don't have to give an exact place.
Jacksonville.
Okay. Any animosity between Mr. Dunn and your mom back at your brother's graduation?
No.
Okay. Were you also present for Mr. Chris Dunn, your brother's wedding in 2012?
Yes.
And that was on November 23rd?
Yes.
Okay. Do you also recall meeting Mr. Dunn that night as well?
Yes, I do.
Did you have discussions with Michael Dunn?
Not very long. I know we said hi, but
Okay.
not very long.
Let me ask you this. Was there alcohol served at the wedding?
Yes.
Okay. And how old are you?
18.
Okay. Were you drinking?
No.
Okay. When you were talking to Michael Dunn, were you across the room from him? Were you standing there close to him?
I wasn't like really close, but I was pretty much right.
Normal talking distance?
Yes.
Okay, okay. Any type of strong odor of alcohol while you were talking to
No.
Michael Dunn?
Not at all.
Any slurred speech or alcohol impairment issues?
No.
Okay. Did he have any trouble walking?
No.
Okay. And where were you seated once everybody went into the reception?
It was the front right table.
Okay. And prior to that, were there wedding photos with the wedding party and family taken?
Yes.
And were you in those photos?
Yes, I was.
And we've kind of saw some already. Any type of animosity between Michael Dunn and any of your family members?
No.
Even though he's the ex-husband?
No.
Okay. Any issues with anybody at the wedding and Michael Dunn that you saw?
No, not that I saw.
Okay. Did you see Michael Dunn drinking or having a drink in his hand?
I saw him with the toast drink, and that was about it.
Okay. Did you see him continually going up to the bar, anything like that?
No, I didn't really pay attention to who was drinking and what.
Okay. And at some point, did you have discussions with him about his puppy?
Yes.
Okay. And was that when he was leaving?
Yes.
Okay. Did he show you pictures?
No, he showed my mom pictures.
Okay. Were you there?
No, not when he showed the pictures.
Okay. How long did you talk to Mr. Dunn before he left?
It was just a bye, real quick.
Okay. And again, when he said goodbye, any slurred speech?
No,
Was he walking funny or seem impaired by alcohol?
not at all.
Did he have a strong odor of alcohol as he spoke to you?
No.
Was he ever impolite or anything like that to you?
No, he was very polite.
Did he seem to be in a good mood?
Yes.
Did he seem to be happy to be at his son's wedding?
Yes.
Okay. Was there any animosity when he left his wedding?
No, not that I could tell.
Did he leave because there was a fight or anything like that?
No.
And your biological father is obviously not Mr. Dunn?
No.
Okay. Were there other in-laws at that wedding also? Meaning other family members, Mr. Dunn's family, your mom's family?
My mom's family there was, and I'm not sure about his family.
Okay. At any time during the wedding, was there any type of anger or animosity between anybody and Michael Dunn?
No.
How about during the reception?
No.
Was there music playing?
Yes.
Okay, was there a DJ or a band?
It was a DJ.
And was he playing any type of hip hop or any kind of music like that?
Yes.
Okay. Was it loud or not blaring loud, but was it normal wedding music?
Yes.
Okay. At any time, did you see Mr. Dunn storm out of the reception area?
No.
Did he ever tell the DJ sitting right behind him, turn that off?
No.
Okay. No further questions, Judge.
Cross?
Ma'am, how many times in your 18 years had you ever seen Michael Dunn prior to the night of that wedding?
About 2 or 3 times.
That's it?
Yes.
Is it fair to say you didn't know much about him at all?
No.
That's
Like,
not fair to say?
No. Like, I don't know that much.
Okay. And had you seen him again since that time until today here in court?
No.
Ma'am, do you know anything at all about what happened with Michael Dunn after he left the wedding reception?
No, I just know that he left and he went to the gas station.
You live here with your mother, is that
Yes.
correct? Did you receive any phone calls or overhear any phone calls from Michael Dunn or Rhonda Rower asking you all to take care of their little puppy?
No.
Your Honor, I'm only going to object to hearsay in the way the question was phrased, Your Honor.
Well, she's answered it, so it's overruled. Is that it, Ms. Corey?
Yes, sir. Any other phone calls between midnight and the following day?
No.
Thank you. Nothing further, Your Honor.
May she be excused?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you, ma'am, you're excused.